See what I mean, guys? It just stops automatically for some reason. And it's really, really annoying. But there's not gonna be any part 2 for this video, cause but I swear to God if there is, because this video might just be the rest of it. Also, sorry about that. I was just talking and then it just randomly stopped. I'm not lying one bit, guys. Okay, as I was saying on the other one, I'm now gonna throw this one. Yep. Very cool. And like it's tie-dye. I have a feeling this one's gonna be very fast, but it probably can't be my fastest fidget doll. Like this video if you want me to try and throw any of my fidgets into one of my neighbor's backyard. Well, rest in peace, that fidget. Okay. Well, we're gonna throw this in 3, 2, 1. Frisbee throw! Okay, you guys aren't gonna be able to see it, so I'm not gonna do that. I also got this one. I'm glad it's black because I hate racist people, and I mean I hate. Cause I was one time playing Roblox on Would You Rather with my friends, and then someone said black. White people should only have their rights, not black. And then me and my friends had a humongous fight with her, cause that was really rude. Racism is over, and I mean it. Okay, sorry I'm getting all mad because of racism, but we're gonna do this in 3, 2, 1. Run like a bird, I wanna fly away. You're also not gonna be able to see that, so I'm not even gonna show it again. I'm sorry, guys. I kind of want to make this video fast because one of my neighbors are cutting the grass and it's really, really loud. I don't even know if you guys are gonna be able to hear me, but my ears are okay. Don't worry. I can hear myself. I can hear the grass cutter. I can't remember the name, so I'm just calling it a grass cutter. Okay, before we run out of time, let's throw this in 3, 2, 1. Whee! That didn't go that far, but I'm gonna show it now because I think you guys will be able to see it. So there's this. I'll also show the other fidget. One went like right there. It's paper. I threw the paper for some reason, but I want to include like everything that's popular related, like drawings, rap. I don't care. Like I just want it to be popular related. I also got this other Among Us puppet. Yeah. I'm not gonna make it twerk, but then it might get deleted. And then I'm gonna have to post again, which will be really annoying. Oh, sorry YouTube if you're watching this. It's just kind of true. I don't really like doing it. Okay, we're gonna throw it in 3, 2, 1. Whee! Oh, that one went pretty far. It kind of shows, but I don't know if you guys are able to see it. There it is. See it? Don't confuse any of the other puppets, please. Like that Among Us puppet. That's not the rainbow one. Okay, next one. I got this ghost puppet, which actually the green part glows in the dark, but I don't know if it works anymore because it's kind of red. Also, these are just for details. They're not pops, but these two are broken, and this one's almost coming off. Yeah, for Ghosty. Okay, let's throw it in 3, 2, 1. Whee! That didn't go very far, but okay. There it is, the purple, green, blue, and pinkish. Light pink. Yeah. other one. I have a feeling this is perfect for one of my friends named William because for some reason he's a dinosaur fan. Yeah. Okay, now we're gonna throw it. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it didn't go very far. There it is, like the thing that's pointing up. Oh my gosh, my arms are getting tired now, but it's okay. Oh, can I open this? Okay, now we're gonna throw this heart puppet. It's my very first heart puppet, and it's very good. The pops are good. It's satisfying on the back. Yeah, it's very good. I got it from a fidget toy package in Tennessee. Now I'm just gonna pop the bag because it's so satisfying. I'll do the satisfaction video in another video. But we're gonna throw it now in 3, 2, 1. Lovebird! Okay, there's where the puppet went. I just wanted to make sure we're still recording. Sorry guys. See it? I'm pretty sure you guys could. Okay. Now we're gonna throw this little purse I got from a fidget toy package too. Yeah. And it's bigger. I also have a wallet. I'm gonna throw that soon. So yeah. Like it's the same one, but it's much tinier. Like much tinier. Okay, now let's throw it in 3, 2, 1. Whee! And it's not really like the other unicorns, because it was a unicorn bag, but there it is, like with the string is covering it. Like when you put it over your neck. Sad. Okay, we have 2 more. Let's do this. I got this little rainbow bag. This one is definitely bigger than the other bag, the one that I just threw. Yeah. This was my ever first poppet bag, by the way. Oh no! Oh shoot! My most favorite emoji fell out. What's that? No! I should have closed it. Hold on, guys. We're gonna throw it in 3, 2, 1. Whee! Damn it, that didn't go to the other unicorns too, because unicorns usually had that rainbow power. But anyways, oh my gosh, that scares me when it does that, because it's gonna fall and then I'm gonna be in big trouble with my dad. But there it went. See it? There it is. Okay, we have 1 more, and that is the wallet. It's actually on the bag, but I included it anyway. Here it is. It's not on my school bag because I wouldn't get my school bag out here. See what I mean? Like, oh my god. That fashion fidget doll is definitely gonna win. Let me show you what I mean at the end. But we're gonna throw this in 3, 2, 1. Whee! Like, you guys are definitely gonna be able to see this. The bag went right there in like the middle. Okay, now I have to count. 23 profits. Wow. Wait, did I include this one? I'm not going this one. 24. Okay, so let's just say this one is last place. This one is second to last place. This one is 22nd. 21st.